Good afternoon, students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Okay. So within 1 minute, we will start our lecture. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Before starting the actual practical, whether you have implemented audio and video programs based on the HTML5. Yes.
No,
Have you
ma'am.
implemented? No. Okay.
No.
So today we will see how to fetch the audio or video files in our program. First, I will show you with the same directory, with the help of a same directory, means whatever audio or videos are there are present in the same location, and afterwards I will show you how to fetch it from another location. Okay, so we will see both the parts. So within, okay, still some are joining. I will wait for 2 minutes and I will start it. Why today only 8 students are there? Is there activities going on from TPO side? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we will start it because only 1 hour is there and we have to see all such a parts. So I will directly start it. Okay. Is the masculine is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Now we will move towards our practical. First, I will implement it. See how I am using all these tags, and then you can try it. Okay. So first,
Okay,
before
ma'am.
starting, I will give you some introduction. Audio tag, which is used to define different types of music, sounds, or audio clips in our program. Actually, three types of audio tags are there. One is MP3, another is a wave, and third one is a OGG. Okay, so we will see one by one. Right now, I am having two files with me. This one is video clip and this one is the audio. So you can check the extension of it by clicking on the properties. Okay, you can see here. This is which type of a file is there. Okay, you can see here WMV. Its extension is WMV. So you have to provide this extension while implementing your program. Okay, so this is the path of this file. Whenever you are implementing this file from another directory, at that time you have to provide its path. But right now I have kept both the files in the same directory. So no necessity to provide the path. Then here you can see here, this is the MP3 file. This is audio file having extension as a MP3. So right now we will see both the tags, audio as well as video. First we will see the audio tag. Okay, for writing the audio tag, first you have to write the talk tag. Normal procedure of writing the HTML pages. Okay, then I will open the HTML tag and I will close it. Whenever you are generating any tag in your program, always open and close simultaneously. So you will not check every time whether we have closed it or not. Next, in body part, we will use the audio tag. And now I will start with the audio tag. Now you can check it. different controls are present in it, so we need to use the controls over here and simultaneously close it. Okay, now here you have to provide the source of that file. Okay, means you have use which type of a part you want to implement. We want to implement audio type of a part. In that you have to provide actual source, means actual audio file over here. To provide it we need source tag. Okay, as we have seen in previous lecture for images, source tag, in that you have to provide actual location. Right now I have kept in the same location, so no need to provide the location, only you have to provide the name of a file. It's mp3, we already checked, so I will directly write here mp3 file. Now see, this name is having spaces, so you have to always take care about providing a complete name. Okay, then type. Which type file is there? Audio or video? Okay. Now we are using the audio, so you have to provide the audio or MPG. Okay, means multiple multiple types of a data is present in it. Okay. So whenever whenever it will be get implemented, one audio tags is present on your screen, and when you will click on it, it will start executing. Okay. Right now I am unable to give you the sound of that file, but we will check it whether it will work properly or not. Okay. So I will save over here as a first dot html. Okay. So whenever I will click on it, okay, this is the audio tag. Okay, and when I will click on it, it will start running. Whether voice is audible? Okay, 1 minute. I will increase voice of my PC. First check it and then I will minimize it. Otherwise it will generate a echo. So for 1 minute, means for implementation I will on the voice, afterwards I will minimize it. Is it audible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because from machine I'm unable to give this sound, but you can see here vibrations are there, means this file is running. Okay, if you work on your own machines, then you can see that this audio is going on, and whenever you want to pause it, you can pause it, and whenever you want to fetch to last, it can move. You can hear, you can see the audio option is there, means volume option is there. You can maximize it, minimize it. Same fashion you can again restart it likewise. Okay, so this is the very simple tag related to audio. Okay, if anybody want to implement it, you can implement. I will provide 5 minutes. Yes, anybody want to try it? Yes, anybody want to try it? Okay, next part is related to video tag. First I will introduce you different tags so we can move further. If you want to take its screenshot, first take it so I can move further. Okay, so I will add the video tag in the same part only, means the same body part only, because you can simultaneously see both the ways. Okay, same is applicable for video also. You have to provide one video tag with its controls and simultaneously you have to close it. Okay, then provide the source also. I will copy this much so I can directly write over here. Now I will show you the name of a file. Okay, so this is the name of a file, so you can copy it. Now you have to check the extension of this file. Okay, you can check by clicking on the properties. Okay, you can see here VMV is the extension of file. Okay, so in program you have to write it WMV. Okay, this is the part of a video only, and type is nothing but video or MP3. So you can write here as type is equal to video or MP4. Okay, so each and every type of a video file is get fetched over here. Now I will save it and I will execute it. Only I will refresh the page because now see, no video in appropriate format. Why? Because this file is not present in MP4 format. Okay, now I will discuss with you which formats are supported for video tag in the HTML file. Only three types of formats are supported over here. First one is a MP4, second one is a WebM extension, and third one is a OGG. Only these three video tags, only these three extensions are available in the video tag of HTML5. So whenever you want to extract such a types of a videos, you have to check it whether it is having such a type of a extension or not. Otherwise that program will not fetch such a videos. If you want to see the implementation, you can try it from your side. Currently I am having only one video with me, so if you want to try it, you can try it and you can show it over here. Okay, now another one is no video with supported format and mime type found. Its meaning is what? You can change the tag name over here. Okay, so am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Due to one call, I have get disconnected. That's why I'm asking. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, my format is in the format of a WMV. So we can first check it whether, because only three formats are supported. Suppose I have written that format in the OR part as a type 1. Now check what will happen. Understood? Now it's get worked because we have provided the actual file format over here. This is one type of a exception. Okay, whatever video type is there, if you are running over here, then you have to provide the actual meaning of that video. But it's not working, only it has designed its outline because or video tag of HTML5 supports three types of a video format. First one is MP4, then WebM, and third one is a OGG. And this format is form of a WMV. That format is not supported by video tag, so you have to take care about it. It will design such a type of a video, means it's part, but it cannot start. You can see here, audio has started, but video has not started. Okay, understood? Okay, now from your side, try it once, then we will move further. Yes? Can you try it from your side? If you don't want to try, then no problem. I will directly move towards next point because I know it. Many few students are there, they are trying. Remaining are not trying. Yes, seriously, those who want to try it, just tell me. I am trying. I will wait for them. Otherwise, I will move towards next point. Yes, anybody want to try? Okay, let it be. So right now I have shown you the files which are present in the same folder. Okay, for implementing such a file, I will convert that file into MP4 online. So we will check it whether it will. Then I will show you the different type of a example. I'm purposefully showing you because you should know what happened when you are providing such a extensions over here. That's why I'm purposefully showing you such a types of examples. Okay, wait for 1 minute. Only I have changed its format as a MP4. I have saved it and I will execute it now. Okay. Now, when is it visible? Yes, is it visible? Okay, so now you can see this part is related to audio and this part is related to video. When I will click on over here as a starting, so from here also it will start. So you can increase the volume in, you can increase the size of a video. Okay, here you can stop it, you can, okay, so you can move its cursor likewise. You can see its timing, what is the actual time which is going on, how much. Okay, so this is the audio, sorry, video tag, and you can see here simultaneously we can start both the tags. Okay, I have started audio as well as video. Okay, so when you will try it on your machine, you will finding out both the sounds are going on, means both the files simultaneously running on your machine. So if anybody is interested, you can try it and you can discuss with me in the practical only. Okay, you can see it from your machine. Take audio as well as video clip, run it on the same page simultaneously. Check which type of a traffic is get generated on that page. Okay, you can finding out this is the sound from this file and this is the sound from another file. But check it how it works. Both the files are get started simultaneously, so you can take the experience of these two files simultaneously. Okay, if anybody want to try it, you can. And you can show over here. I will stop my screen sharing so you can see it very easily. Yes, anybody want to try it? Yes? Yes, can you try it? Okay. So next part is how to fetch the audio or video files from the another folder. How to fetch audio or video files from the another folder. Okay. Now suppose my file is present in the okay. So this is the file, audio file which is present over here and I want to fetch it on my program. Now I will show you how to fetch it. First, click on and take go to properties. You can see here actual path. So you can copy this path, okay, and paste it in your program, okay, and provide a backslashes, not a forward slashes. Okay, just save it and execute it. Okay, understood what I have done? I have provided the same program, same file from C drive, okay, in this format. Another one is if you don't know where means different, okay, this is the one way. Then this is completely related to the files which are present in the particular drive in the particular location, and if you want to fetch it you can fetch it by providing its path. So this is the one way, and another one way you can save all these your audio files or video files in the same location and you can access it from that location. Okay, so this is the simple way of audio and video files. Okay, if any queries are there, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will take another part of this audio files. Yes, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will take a next part of this audio files. Okay, so next one is I will take another notepad so you can see it. Okay, so I will first close extra part. Okay, so I will open it and I will write the another code. Okay, in that code, I will provide a complete structure of that audio and video, means how much area it will take to implement it. If you want to minimize, you can. If you want to maximize, you can. For that, we need to provide a complete structure. Okay, so length means height and width is required as a control. You can directly start your video also with the help of a autoplay button. Okay, now first I will copy the same program from this file related to, I will keep only related to video, remaining I will close it. Okay, now you can see here in video tag I will write width of that video. Suppose width of video is 300 and simultaneously Height of video is suppose 200. According to your use, you can check it. Okay, and remaining part I will keep as it is. Okay, remaining part I will keep it as it is, and I have closed the video. And suppose if that video is not available on that location. Okay, what I'm saying, if video is not available on that location, then exception must be handled. This is not a error, this is the exception. Means code is correct, but that file is not present. Only you have to message to user as this file is not present. Then you can write here one message as this video file is not available. So you can write here as your browser is not supporting, because if sometimes it may happen that your browser is not supporting for such a files. So in that case you have to mention here as if browser does not support. Okay, browser does not support the video. And here if you write video in the tag format, then it will take the name of that video. If one minute student, wait, I'm hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I will repeat once again. I have provided here width and height of that file, and if you want to provide autoplay function, means when you open that window, means open that page, that video is get automatically start. And here if that file is present, then there is a no need to print the message on the window. If that browser is not support, then this message is required to present on the window for user. Okay, so I will save it as second. Okay, and I will execute it. Okay, now you can see here by default you will get a one location as this much size. Okay, so it will run over here, and if you maximize it, then also it will get maximized. Suppose I will maximize it. Understood? It is get maximized. So you can decide the location as well as the size of that video according to your use. Okay, so this is the one video that I want to show over here. Okay, and another one function is related to autoplay. If you click it on autoplay, means when you refresh that page, directly your video is get started. Okay, okay. Due to some browser problem, it is not starting directly. But whenever you will use this, it will get started directly. Don't need to start it. Okay. Now, first I will discuss with you what is mean by autoplay, then what is mean by controls. Okay, SRC. You know SRC providing the source file. Okay, autoplay. Autoplay is nothing but the boolean attribute if specified. The audio will automatically begin to playback as soon as it can do so without stopping to finish loading the data. Okay. And another one is the controls. You have seen over here control is we have used. Okay. This controls is the attribute. It will allow the user to control audio playback including volume, seeking and pause resume playback. Okay, so those buttons you are seeing on that video or that audio, that is the playback as well as volume button, then play and pause means play resume likewise. All these are due to help of a controls attribute. Okay, so this is the two main important parameters. Another one is source, you know it because many times you have seen it. Then auto buffer is the one another attribute. It is specified the audio will automatically begin buffering even if it's not set the automatically play. Okay, so these are the important audio and video controls. Okay, take it screenshot so I can move further because I have to show one example with the help of a JavaScript. Actually, this is not part of this experiment, but still, if you want to generate some types of a controls like this, you can implement it. That's why I'm showing over here. Okay, so I will show that program over here. So initially, you have to write here as a doc type, opening and closing tag. Then in head part. Okay, in head part, I will write the scripting, and in the body part, we will write the actual video tag. Okay, means actual form. Now, in head tag, I will write the script which is present in the format of a. Okay, so this type is nothing but text or JavaScript. Okay, this is not covered till now, I know it, but for more interest, I'm showing over here. You can do in the following way also. In that, normal function related to video is nothing but this is the function related to video. Okay, and in that methods are there. Okay, so in that I will write one variable having name as a var, which is nothing but one document, and in that I have written as get element by tag name. I will discuss with you what is going on over here. First, I will write it. Okay, this is the video part. So I have written here video. Then it will be covered in the next chapters in your syllabus. But still, I'm showing you over here because this is related to audio video part. Okay. Now see what I have done. First, I have written one tag, that is the script, because I want to design a JavaScript. In that I have written one function related to play video because I want to play the video over HTML page. For that I have created one variable. Okay, and in that variable I have provided document dot get element by tag name as a video. Means you have to specify its extension. You have to specify its extension. Now I have closed it. Okay, now I will start the body tag. I will start the body tag and simultaneously I will close it because we want to write the further tags. Okay, in that normal coding of your program. In that normal coding of your program is video tag. So I will directly copy it from previous program. Okay, so this much part is one and the same. So I will copy it and I will close it. Okay, so before writing it into the body tag, you have to use one form. In that form, it will be get generated. Means within particular area. No need to use the extra area. Okay, within particular area. Now here you can paste that. Now you can paste that code over here that is related to video. Okay, so I have kept same code over here. I have not changed it. And another one part. Okay, you can see here BR. Yes, anybody know its meaning? Okay, so this is the input tag. Why we are using input tag? Because we want to provide one button. When you will click on that button, then and then only it will start. Okay, right now what we are seeing, automatically its controls are get generated. Right now we have provided, 1 minute. You can see here width, height. I will remove the control parts. Okay, I will remove the control parts over here. I will directly provide the source. What I will do, I will directly provide the source over here, and after that I will remove this one. See what I have done. First I have taken a video tag, in that I have provided width and height, then directly provided a source, that is the src, because you can see here tag name is automatically get fetched through this file. And after that, input tag, I am using input tag, in that I have used button. When you will click on it, okay, when you will click on it, it will directly play the video. It will directly play the video. Okay, and value, next one is a value, and value of is nothing but play the video, and simultaneously close the input tag. Now see once again what I am saying. Input tags means we are taking the input from user. Which type of a input? Click event. Okay, so for that clicking we have provided one button and play video. When you will use this function play video, it goes to script. It will check its function. What is the function inside it? What is the data which is present inside it? And in that we have written document get elementary tag name. Okay, and automatically it will get played when you will click on that button. So save it and you can execute it. So I will save it as third.html. Okay, so when you will click on it, okay, 1 minute. Due to my browser it's not working, I know it, but still I will try it once again. Okay, let it be. You can try it because due to my browser, I am unable to show it to you. But you can try it. Same code is there. No need to change the code. You can directly implement it. Okay. So you can take this code. Okay. So first, just I will check it once. Okay, let it be. So you can try it from your side and you can show it to your friends also uh, through the practical. Okay. So if anybody want to try it, you can try it now. Still we are having some time with us. Okay. If anybody want to try it, you can. I will give a time by. Okay. So first give the presentee. Mention your roll numbers in the chat box. Yes. Is anybody is remain to give the presentee? Completed? Okay. Anybody has tried the canvas in whatever we have covered in the previous lecture? Yes, anybody has tried? Because I have shown you a very simple one, that is creation of a rectangle. In that different types are there in the canvas. That is the paths are there, lines are there, drawing the lines, then quadrant, images, likewise. Okay, have you tried it from your side? Different translations, rotations are also there in the canvas. Have you tried? Yes, have you tried it? Okay, so one more thing. Have you covered this part in the lecture? Which types of parts you have covered in the lecture as a canvas? Yes, Nehal. Yes, which types you have covered in the lecture as a canvas? I want answer from your side because I have to implement over here. That's why I'm asking. If you have already done, and I will skip that part, I will check the next one that you have not covered. Yes, Komal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which types of a canvas you have seen in the lecture? Yes, all of you. Have you remembered or not? You have seen the canvas in the lecture. Am I right? Then different parts are present in the canvas like a rectangle, lines, circles, rotations, translations, etc. Which part you have covered in the lecture? And one more thing, this is not a
Ma'am,
timing to join it. I will not join at the time of attendance. This is my strict warning from first practical only. So you have to take care about your presenting. Yes, Snehal?
today's
Rotation is covered.
Okay, rotation is covered. And another one thing
Yeah.
means another any point means only rectangle and rotation. These two parts are covered. Yes, Nehal? Yes, Snehal.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, only this thing I remember.
Okay. So can you try it? Because this part is covered, then you can implement it. Yes, can you try it? Because still we are having 10 minutes. In that you can implement it. This is very sufficient time to implement. That's why I'm asking. Can you try it?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else? Because she is trying. From last two practicals, I'm seeing that she is trying. Anybody else? You can write on the page. You can share that screenshot as an image. Because this session is present for your practice only and you are not participating. Yes, this is important for your future and still you are not participating. I have already told you that I will not accept the entries after the means this is having 60 minutes practical and you are joining at the last moment, that is 10 minutes ago
नाही
maybe.
मॅडम, नाही, नाही. माझं मी इम्प्लिमेंटेशन दाखवण्यासाठी जॉइन होते लॅपटॉपवरनं.
नाही ते मला कळतंय पण ते सांगणं काही आहे का नाही. ओके, कारण मला स्क्रीन शेअरिंग स्टॉप करावं लागेल ना. Okay, I will stop my screen sharing. You can implement it, no issues. So take your time, take 4 to 5 minutes and then implement it. Okay? Yes, Sujata?
मॅडम ह्याचं आउटपुट असं आलेलं आहे.
कसं?
हं.
प्रोग्राम मध्ये जावा. तो फ्रॉम नाहीये, तो फॉर्म आहे. Wait, it will get refresh. Wait. Okay, see that फ्रॉमच्या खाली व्हिडिओ टॅग जिथं स्टार्ट केलात ना तिथं स्पेस झालीये.
कुठे मॅडम?
वरती जिथं व्हिडिओ टॅग स्टार्ट केलात ना विड्थ लिहिलं बघा तिथे.
इथं? इथं?
व्हिडिओ व्ही जिथं लिहिलं ना त्याच्या शेजारी स्पेस झालीये ती रिमूव्ह करा. व्हिडिओ हा वर्ड लिहिलायत ना, व्हिडिओ हा वर्ड.
अँग्युलर ब्रॅकेट आणि व्हिडिओमध्ये स्पेस आहे.
इथं?
नाही तिथं नाही, बॉडी टॅग मध्ये या. फॉर्म टॅग लिहिलात ना त्याच्या खाली व्हिडिओ टॅग स्टार्ट केलात तुम्ही.
हम्म.
हा तर तो जो व्हिडिओ हा शब्द लिहिलात ना व्हिडिओ आणि तो अँग्युलर ब्रॅकेट. 1 मिनिट मी लाईन वाचते. व्हिडिओ विड्थ इज इक्वल टू 300, हाईट इज इक्वल टू 200. ही जी लाईन आहे
हम्म.
ना ती. तर
हम्म.
तिथलं व्हिडिओच्या स्टार्टिंगला एक स्पेस झाली. ओके आधी त्याला सेव्ह करा आणि मग रन करा.
सेव्ह केलं.
केलंत ना?
हम्म.
आता काहीच आहे नका. परत एकदा प्रोग्राम मध्ये जाऊ.
मॅडम इथं माझं MP4 नाही WMV आहे ते म्हणून सेव्ह करू का तिथं?
नाही ते इम्प्लिमेंटच नाही होणार. WNB घेत नाही ते. एकतर ते MP4 OGG किंवा VMM असं फॉर्मॅट आहे. ते तीनच फॉर्मॅट्स घेतं. दुसरी कुठली MP4 ची फाईल आहे का तुमच्याकडे अवेलेबल?
नाही, हे एकच आहे.
बरं ठीक आहे. मग काय करा त्याला नंतर कन्वर्ट करा आणि ती फाईल तिथं द्या. ठीक आहे मी आता जशी तुम्हाला कन्वर्ट करून दाखवली ना MP4 मध्ये तशी कन्वर्ट करा आणि मग तिथं प्रोव्हाइड करा. मग ते वर्क होईल. ठीक आहे?
हम्म.
हा. असू दे हे वर्क होईल. फक्त ती MP4 नसल्यामुळे ते एक्झिक्यूट होत नाही. ते सपोर्टच नाही करत त्या फाईल फॉर्मॅटला. असू दे तुम्ही त्याला MP4 करा आणि मग चेक करा. मग वर्क होईल.
हम्म.
ओके. थँक यू सुजाता.
हम्म.
ॲटलिस्ट स्टार्ट तरी केलं शेअरिंग करायला.
हम्म.
ओके रन होईल तुमचं फक्त MP4 मध्ये करा.
हम्म.
Okay, anybody else who want to share it? Yes? Anybody want to share it? You can. Okay, so in next practical, be prepared with Canvas programs. Okay, those who are having laptop, they can try it on your laptop, and those who are have only mobiles, you can try it on online compilers. Okay, that program will get executed on online compiler, so you can try it, take a screenshot of it, and in the practical you share it with me. Okay, so you will be ready with your program. So in the next practical, whenever we are having next practical, you should present your programs related to Canvas. You can take your own Canvas programs, means you can use the rotations, you can use the translations likewise. Okay, the lines are there, lots of a combination of rectangles are there. Okay, so you can take those programs, execute it and share with us. Okay, so this is the task for you for next practical. So I will provide you 10 to 15 minutes. Those who have done, you have to share it over. That will be considered for your as a practical. Okay, that you have implemented from your side. That will be considered from practical list. Okay. Any queries? Shall we stop here? Yes, shall we stop here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you all of you and take care. Okay, and implement those programs.